What's going on, guys? Derek of Legendary here. Excited to bring you this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of future videos like this one so you don't miss out on any future updates. This video, we're going to cover the Outbound IVRs. If you're not familiar with an IVR system, it stands for Interactive Voice Response. And what this does is allows you to set up a digital menu of items. So say you call a bank and you hear their machine pickup, and it's something like, hey, press 1 if you're a new customer, press 2 to hear our location and hours, press 3 to be transferred to customer service rep, stuff like that. So you can set these up for inbound calls, which I've already shown you guys how to do that in Legendary using Twilio. And now I figured out how to do this for outbound IVRs. So now you can send these for, appointment reminders to confirm someone's going to show up. They can press 1, or to cancel their appointment or reschedule, they can press 2, stuff like that. And you can have multiple layers of menus like that with an IVR. So you can use these for prospecting too, which is a cool thing. So if someone fills out a form on your website, or even if they just move from one pipeline stage to the next, or they get a tag added in Legendary Leads, that can trigger an outbound IVR. You do need an upgraded Zapier plan currently to make this work, so keep that in mind. This is coming inside the app eventually, hopefully Q1. This will be inside Legendary, but I wanted to get this out to those who are ready to use this right now. So we're going to cover this on this video. So this is just a simple page I set up just for this outbound IVR demo. This funnel is built in Legendary as well, so you can make some pretty cool funnels and websites inside Legendary. You get this chat widget you can use, so if you want, you can set that up to get some text messages. And here's one of our forms. So all I put on this form is first name and phone number. When someone enters this info, it says they'll get a call from our outbound IVR system. So I'm going to hit submit. That's going to start the trigger inside of Zapier. So I set up a webhook to catch that, and it's going to start my IVR flow that I created inside Twilio. So then I just take them to this page with another demo video and tell them they can sign up for a Legendary offer. So this is going to be a limited time offer for anyone who wants this set up. I'm going to run this through the end of November 2021. So if you see this video, you can go ahead and try this outbound IVR demo yourself and take advantage of this special offer. We have a lot of other stuff in the works, so super excited to get that out to you guys as well. But let's just go ahead and wait now for this outbound IVR, and once that comes through, I'll show you kind of how that flow goes. And this is just a demo one that I put together with previous audio files I already had.
Derek from Legendary Leads. If you'd like a 7-day free trial of the Legendary Leads software, press 1 and I'll send you a link to a free trial. If you have any questions or want to speak to me directly, press 2. Or if you want to schedule some time on my calendar, press 3. Hey, this is Derek. Sounds great. I'm sending you my calendar link now. Just choose a time and date that works best for you, and we'll talk soon.
So that's an example of the IVR. I can show you on the back end too, inside Legendary, how this looks. So if we look here, these are leads that came in from the IVR. So someone who submitted the form. Anything could be a trigger. It could be you dragging and dropping the contact card like this into a pipeline stage. It could be you adding a tag. So you can set these up in multiple different ways. But this is one way to automatically prospect and qualify people. So I give 3 options in mine. Press 1 sends people a link to a free trial of Legendary. Press 2 actually forwards the call to my cell phone so I can pick it up. I get a call whisper that tells me the call is from my outbound IVR. And 3 is going to send people a link to my calendar. So check this out. See if this is something that you think would work good in your business. And if so, we can get this going for you. Go ahead and check out the IVR and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'm super excited to get this in the app where you can actually visually build an IVR system, hopefully in Q1. Right now I can set this up for you in Twilio, and you just need an upgraded Zapier plan to actually get this connected to Legendary. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future updates like this.